I gave you altogether 13 questions: a SWOT, Mendelow's, Pestel, five forces, value chain, ethics and CSR factors, corporate governance position. Then strategic initiatives are options available to extract a few key objectives for the company, to think about developing a strategy map for the company, identify critical success factors for Runabout, and KPIs from a BSc perspective, and any additional strategic risk factors that are not included in the risk register. So my main concern is actually to use this. Well, I can't call it a concern. It's my main objective is that this exercise will help you just open your mind and really make you familiar with all the things that can be good about Runabout and everything that can go wrong with Runabout. Okay, so in that perspective, you're supposed to learn so much and know so much about Runabout that you cannot really be surprised when it comes to the exam. That's the entire idea. So we try to expand our mind in terms of thinking about Runabout to the farthest horizon we can see. So let's start. Activity sheet response, August 2020, case study exams. Okay, the first one is SWOT. Let's start with strengths. Runabout is a profitable company. It has a stable MPS, a market price per share. It's a large quoted company, which make all of these factors are very positive factors and can be cited as strengths. We have a 15,000 workforce. There seem to be good governance. Can be challenged, I know. We will address them in weaknesses. We seem to be a disruptor and first mover in GLAN micromobility, and it has to be relevant to the requirement. Now don't go somewhere else. Just because I'm telling you to include KPIs, don't. But KPIs can be handy to strengthen the quality of your answer if you properly use it in a relevant situation. Okay, we will talk about relevancy in detail after you do your mock attempt. So that is the activity analysis sheet. We've covered a lot of ground. There's a risk factor, risk angle that I haven't looked at, which I will do after I give you a very useful document that you can use to do that. But that marks the end of our pre-scene activity analysis sheet. So far, so good.